My name is Danna.
My name is Natalia.
We are students at Lingua Institute.
Level A2.
Today we're going to make stuffed arepas.
First of all are the ingredients. Arepa, butter, oil, salt, onion, cheese, garlic, ham, salsina condiment, and fried chicken.
For the juice, we need sugar, lulo pulp, and water.
Now I will switch the onion in the cutting board, the green garlic, and I put fried on the stove on the long part. Now I mix the meat and add oil. And add the onion and add the garlic. And add the condiment over the meat.
Another fried pan on the stove with the oil. Put the arepa on the fried pan. We're going to do the roast arepa. Then on the cheese.
After we have the meat prepared, and I add the chicken. Meanwhile, we will make the noodles. Okay, first add the water, a little water. And add the full noodle. Finally, add sugar.
Now we spread the salt. On the jam. And a little chicken. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye. See you soon.